Hearty welcome to our Docusnap video tutorial, in this case about the importing of your own shapes or the shapes of vendors into your Docusnap shape database. Docusnap already has a selection of fine shapes included, but you might also want to import your own shapes or the shapes of vendors that you desire. Now, once you have these Visio stencils, you can import those into Docusnap. Let's check out how we do that. So first of all, you want to select the editor and the physical infrastructure in order to select on the top right the Edit Element Types button. Once you do that, you are able to use the New button to create a new element. And in our case, I want to import a switch, and that supposedly is a HP ProCurve 9280A. Now, we wish to have some images, most likely photorealistic if possible, and we provide that using Visio. In my case, I have already a selection of possible Visio shapes, and in your case, you might be required to actually import the shape. Once you download that, you can import the Open Stencil button and select the shape you want. In my case, I was looking already, and it's going to be HP Classic Networking, Switches Classic. And once I open that catalog, it's going to take a short amount of time to load all the things. Once I have that, I am able to select the correct shape. In my case, I can find it over here and drag and drop the relevant shape. This is too small. Now, we need to adjust the length. And in order to put the correct length here, you need to type in 1900 millimeters. Once you've done that, you also want to open Paint, because we are going to import this by string C or copy C and pasting it into my Paint connection with the properties 1:1, just so it adjusts the correct relation or proportion. Now, by selecting this one, I can copy and paste my shape. Once you have that, you want to save it as a PNG picture and also select the PNG type with a sort of name that you can retrieve. Once you have that, switch back into Docusnap and select the image that you wish to import. Once you have that, Docusnap tries to pre-select the possible plug types. In our case, I have a power plug to the very left. I can select that, and by selecting it, it adjusts automatically the correct relation on the right side. That's pretty cool, right? Now, in my case, I wish to adjust more RJ45, and I'm selecting here and there. I'm starting an automatic detection of the relevant plugs. Sometimes it does it for the whole ordeal. Sometimes it only does it for the next. You know, it's all about AI, but luckily we're still needed, right? Once you selected and correctly adjusted all the plugs, you're able to also import a back image. In our case, I already prepared that here. And it also has a power plug, so of course, let's correctly adjust that. You've done that, click on Save, and you'll be able to find the HP ProCurve 92A in the type Switches. Let's actually check it out. By selecting the racks, I hopefully find a rack where there's still some unused space, and there is, and now I can select the switch and drag and drop this HP ProCurve, and there you go. It looks beautiful, just like in real life. And again, you have to persist the whole thing by clicking the Save button to your left. Once you have done that, you are, by the way, also able to assign a system. This can be the correct and rightfully imported switch. And if you use the switch that you actually have inventoried here, you are able to really see the port connections on the switch itself. Thanks so much for taking the time and taking a short insight into how to import your own shapes or the vendor's shape into Docusnap. If you have any questions or if you need anything or have any comments, don't hesitate to get in touch, and also use, of course, our homepage to search for latest articles or contemporary What's New articles. Docusnap, we understand IT.